All right, what's up, everybody? We're gonna do an oil change on a Yamaha FZ8. I just took her for a spin, and we are going to change the oil. Alright, everybody, it's time to change the oil on an FZ8 2013 Yamaha. Alright, so here is the left side of the bike. Here is your drain bolt right there. Right there. And you're going to need drain pan and 17mm socket. Cap off on the outside. You guys can see it's still drained. I do have my bike up on both stands. Next, you want to take your oil filter. I usually use, I put a piece of cardboard like this, just so I can catch. So what you want to do is kind of put it under the engine there a little bit, and the filter. I don't know if you guys have one of these. I have one of those oil cat removers. So I'll put it here. I put the cardboard there so that it doesn't leak all over my exhaust. But you can always use brake cleaner if you spill it all over it. There it comes. Beautiful. I got it all over my exhaust anyway, son of a bitch. That sucks. Yeah, it's all over the place now. All the way under there. Unbelievable. But yeah, you just want to do is put the new oil filter in. I'll show you how to do that. You take out that plastic clear coat. What I usually do is a little bit of dirty oil. I'll put it around the seal. A little bit, just enough so you can get it to not dry out too. And just give this a little clean here. And just screw it in. That's it. Putting it in is easy. I just usually do hand tighten as much as you can. So, as slippery as your hands are, you can get it tight enough. My hands are super slippery, so I'm just gonna snug it up with this. It doesn't even like that either. So now you want to put your bolt back in. Make sure you thread it correctly. Drain bolt, and you want to put this at 31 pounds torque. Okay. Spray a little bit of carburetor choke and parts cleaner in here just to get that oil off of the exhaust. Should stay good. Good. Nothing crazy. Let's fill her up with oil now. Alright, you're gonna need 2.28 quarts. Usually it's about 3 quarts, and then you just check the little window. I'm trying to get the video so that you guys can see both the sight glass and the oil form. Alright, so we did 3 quarts. And you guys can see that the window's full, but remember we have to start the engine so that we can get some into the filter. So this guy right here. Okay, so right now it's pretty much at full. Alright, so basically we're going to put 6 ounces. So we have 3 quarts, 6 ounces. It looks like I'm right at the line. And that looks like I am a little bit below the line, which I'm happy with. I'm not going to go to max. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know if there's any videos you want me to put out besides this, and thank you so much once again.